Welcome to today's tutorial where we'll walk through the simple process of removing your profile picture on X, formerly known as Twitter. Whether you're refreshing your online presence or prefer a minimalist look, these updated steps will guide you through every tap and swipe. Let's dive right in. First, unlock your device and locate the X app. Open it to access your home feed. At the top left corner of the screen, you'll see your current profile icon. Tap on it once to open your profile menu. From here, select the Profile option to view your public page. Now, look for the Edit Profile button near your profile details. It's usually positioned beside your bio or username. Tap it to enter editing mode. You'll notice your current profile picture displayed prominently. To change it, tap directly on the image. A menu will pop up with two options: Take Photo or Choose Existing Photo. Since we're removing the picture, select Choose Existing Photo. Here's the key step. Instead of picking a new image, you'll need to upload a blank or transparent file. If you don't already have one, create a plain image using any photo editor or download a neutral-colored placeholder. Navigate to your device's gallery, select the blank image, and adjust the cropping frame if prompted. Once satisfied, tap Use or Done to confirm the selection. Finally, don't forget to save your changes. Look for the Save button at the top right corner of the screen and give it a quick tap. Your profile will now refresh, and voila! Your picture has been replaced with the blank image, giving your profile a clean, image-free appearance. And that's all there is to it. Keep in mind that X no longer offers a direct Remove button for profile pictures, so this workaround is the most effective method available today. Feel free to revisit these steps anytime you want to update your profile further. Thanks for tuning in and happy customizing.